Growing up, I understand that people tend to stick when they like you and when you're great for one another. I remember feeling so bad when my so-called friends leave me behind during recess or fail to tell me a certain secret that everybody in the group knows. And so I learned to be nice and please people so I can be part of the circle. And while doing it, I've taken myself for granted. I've been in this scenario so many times until I realized that I'm no longer happy doing it and I don't want to do it anymore. I feel so exhausted and I don't recognize myself. It's time for me to stop and focus on myself instead. Once a wise man told me that as much as I want to, I can't control what other people say or do. I can only control myself and my reaction to them. At first I thought, okay, it's hard, but as time goes by, I learn and accept it and practice the same mindset. It always takes two to tango, right? So if other people say or do bad things about me or to me, if I don't do anything about it, then it won't progress. It's me who's in control and not the other way around. The way we treat ourselves defines how others will treat us. Hence, focusing on yourself is really important. Be more gentle, be more forgiving, be more compassionate, be respectful, and in general, love yourself every day. Now that I'm a parent and a wife, I'm more careful of the things I say and do. And I can say that this mindset really helps me to focus, especially in taking care of them. In everything I do, I make sure that my beliefs and perceptions in life correlates. And I'm very lucky because I have a husband with the same mindset as me, and so our team really works. I'm no longer the person who pleases everybody just to be accepted. I don't need validation from others, and more so, I'm not being nice because I have to. I'm happy with who I am. I've accepted everything in me, flaws included. I can say that I'm free and at peace in this world where everything needs to be justified just because. It's something that I want you to experience as well. This is something that I want you to learn along with me. And it's something that I want to share with you. I can't thank you enough for all the support you've given me on this journey. I hope that in one way or another, I can serve my purpose on this platform as much as I enjoy creating and filming videos every week. Again, I am always grateful to all of you who's watching and supporting me every week. And I will see you again very soon.